Hello students, welcome to your computer class. This is Usha, your computer teacher. Today we discuss about hardware and software. Previous classes we learned many things about hardware and software. In this session we discuss about little bit depth about hardware and software. Today we cover the topics hardware, software, introducing operating system and languages. First, what is hardware? Hardware is a physical components of a computer. Example, monitor, CPU, transistors, keyboard, mouse, scanners. Hardware, that is a physical component of a computer system. We can touch and feel. What is software? Software is a set of programs that control and manage the operations of a computer. Software is a set of programs that control and manage the operations of a computer. We have two types of software. One is application software, another one is system software. What is system software? System software used to control and coordinate the computer hardware. System software used to control and coordinate the computer hardware. It gives instruction to the hardware. System software, it gives instruction to the hardware. What is application software? Application software is nothing but it's a set of programs to carry out operations for a specified application. Like addition, subtraction. For that addition, we want to write the specified set of programs. Application software is nothing but a set of programs to carry out operations for a specified application. We have two kinds of application software. One is for general purpose, another one is for special purpose. Here, general purpose, used for general work like addition, subtraction, multiplication. For like general purpose, we are using some application software. Example, Word. For typing, we are using Word. For calculation work, we are using Excel. For presentation, you want to present something, we use that presentations, right? Like that, we are for general work we are using general purpose application software. Next one, special purpose software, used for specific problems, not for generally, specifically for particular reason we are using the application software. Example, SQL, C++, reservation system, antivirus system. Antivirus software, only that antivirus software only designed for recovering from virus effect, right? Like that, reservation, train booking, bus booking. For that purpose, specifically the software is designed. That is special purpose software used for specified problems. Then, introduction to operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is a software that facilitates various hardware components work together. Various hardware components work together. Without these OS, hardwares are simply, it is a iron material. Without using that software, operating system, hardware is a material. It's a simple iron. Using this operating system, we give instruction to the hardware and we get the specific output from the system. Operating system is a system software that facilitates various hardware components work together. Operating system gives instruction to the hardware. OS is a group of programs. Operating system is a group of programs to control the hardware. OS has to be loaded into the primary storage. This process of loading is called booting of the system. Operating system has to be loaded into the primary storage. That process called booting. Then main tasks of operating systems are control the execution of programs, control input and output devices and process, set priorities, responses to the problem. Control the execution of programs. When the program wants to execute, where it wants to execute, like that, it gives instruction to the hardware, right? Control input and output device. Example, we want to add 5 plus 3. Okay. First, we want to get input from the user. Then the process will perform inside the computer. Then we will receive the output using printer or monitor. This whole process controlled by that operating system. Control input and output devices and process. All process controlled by that operating system. It set priorities, responses to the problem. Priorities, which one want to first serve. That serving priority decided by the computer. These are the main tasks of the operating system. Then types of operating system. So many types are there. Here we discuss about few things. MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux. So many things are there. Here we discuss about these 4. Right. First, MS-DOS. It is the oldest system for single user. Single user means only one user can access at a time. Right. Then command line interfaces. Now we are using graphical user interface. Within a single click we can access so many things. In previous days, using MS-DOS, we can give only commands we can give and get the output. If we want to add something, add, give the numbers. All the instructions are in commands. Little bit difficult to learn and use. So many commands we want to learn, we want to remember that commands. So that it is little bit difficult to use. Then MS Windows. It is easy to use. Nowadays we are using these type of operating systems. Single click operation. Within a single click we can access that. Using icons we can access that. Multiple monitor can be used with a single computer. Only one single computer we can access multiple monitors. These are the advantages of these MS-DOS. Then Unix, primarily used on multi-user. So many users can use at a time. That is a multi-user system. Unix. Mini computer and mainframe computers in corporate environment. It is totally useful for corporate environment. Business purpose, it is very useful. Suitable for multi-user application. Only one server is there. So many clients they can use. That is very useful for corporate environment. Then Linux. Very effective for computer networks. Based on source code it is working. According to need, user can change the source code. This is also a little bit difficult to use because so many source code we want to apply in that. Based on source code it is working. User can change the source code according to their needs. Next, languages. What is languages? It is a set of instruction called program. Set of instruction called program. Software programs are written using programming language. What is language? The programs are written using programming languages. We have two types of programming language. One is low level language, another one is high level language. Here, low level languages. Low level languages mostly composed by binary digit, that is zeros and ones. For that understand of zeros and ones, we want to use particular design of computer processors we are using to understand the binary digits, zeros and ones. Here one picture is there. See that it is the example of binary digits. Next one, high level language. Use simple English word and well known mathematical expressions are used in high level language. Earlier languages were Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, Basic, so many high level languages are there. Current we are using Java, C#, like that we are using high level languages. In high level languages, simple English word and well known mathematical expressions are used. Here it is the summary of this lesson. What is computer hardware and software? I list out hardware component used in computer, then what is types of system software, types of application software we are using. Here I mentioned that Chrome only for browsing purpose we are using, that is specified application. Right? I hope all are understand this session. Go through the session again. Thank you. Have a nice day.